In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects many drivers: hidden costs associated with cheap car insurance. While it might be tempting to opt for the lowest premium, there's often more to the story than meets the eye. We'll explore how these seemingly budget-friendly policies can lead to unexpected expenses down the road. From higher deductibles to limited coverage options, we'll break down the potential pitfalls that can turn your initial savings into long-term financial headaches. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what to watch out for when shopping for car insurance. So, if you want to make informed decisions and avoid costly surprises, stick around as we uncover the hidden truths behind cheap car insurance. Your wallet will thank you later. Understanding cheap car insurance. Cheap car insurance typically refers to policies that offer lower premiums compared to standard coverage options. These policies often come with basic features, such as minimal liability coverage and limited additional benefits. The appeal of low premiums is undeniable. Consumers are drawn to the idea of saving money each month, especially in a world where budgets can be tight. However, it's crucial to recognize that these savings can come at a cost. Many cheap car insurance policies exclude essential coverage options, such as comprehensive and collision protection, which can leave drivers vulnerable in the event of an accident or theft. Understanding what is often excluded in these policies is vital for making informed decisions. In this segment, we'll delve deeper into the features of cheap car insurance and why it's essential to look beyond the initial price tag. When it comes to cheap car insurance, several prevalent myths can mislead consumers. One major misconception is that all insurance policies provide equal coverage, regardless of the price. In reality, low-cost options often come with significant limitations, leaving drivers exposed to risks they may not even realize. For instance, while a cheap policy might save you money up front, it can lead to inadequate protection in the event of an accident, resulting in higher out-of-pocket expenses later on. Another common myth is that cheap insurance is always a good deal. While it may seem appealing to pay less each month, the potential for costly gaps in coverage can outweigh the initial savings. In this section, we'll debunk these myths and help you understand the true value of car insurance, ensuring you make informed choices for your financial security. Opting for cheap car insurance can often come with unexpected hidden costs that many consumers overlook. Common hidden fees may include higher deductibles, administrative charges, or even costs for additional coverage that isn't included in the base policy. These fees can quickly add up, eroding any initial savings. Moreover, inadequate coverage can have significant long-term financial implications. If you find yourself in an accident, the limited protection offered by a cheap policy may leave you responsible for substantial repair or medical bills. This can lead to higher out-of-pocket expenses that far exceed what you saved on premiums. In this section, we'll uncover these potential hidden costs and emphasize the importance of understanding the full scope of your insurance policy. By being aware of these factors, you can make more informed decisions that protect your financial future. To truly understand the risks of cheap car insurance, let's look at some real-life examples. Take Sarah, for instance, who opted for a low-cost policy to save money. When she was involved in a minor accident, she discovered her coverage only included liability, leaving her responsible for her vehicle's repairs. The financial burden was overwhelming, and she faced significant out-of-pocket expenses. Another case is Mike, who thought he was saving by choosing a cheap policy with minimal coverage. After a serious accident, he found himself underinsured, leading to a lengthy legal battle and emotional stress. These testimonials highlight the emotional and financial toll of being underinsured. As we share these stories, we encourage you to consider the potential consequences of your insurance choices. Remember, the cheapest option may not always be the best when it comes to protecting yourself and your finances. Choosing the right car insurance policy requires careful consideration beyond just the price tag. We encourage you to compare coverage options thoroughly, looking at what each policy offers in terms of protection and benefits. It's essential to read the policy details and understand the terms, as this knowledge can help you avoid unpleasant surprises later on. Pay attention to coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions that may apply. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your insurance choices, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Insurance agents can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific needs and help you navigate the complexities of different policies. By taking these steps, you can make informed decisions that not only save you money but also ensure you have the right coverage to protect yourself and your assets in the long run. In summary, we've uncovered the hidden costs associated with cheap car insurance, highlighting how low premiums can lead to inadequate coverage and unexpected expenses. We discussed the importance of understanding what's included in your policy and the potential long-term financial implications of being underinsured. Making informed insurance decisions is crucial to protecting your financial future and ensuring you have the coverage you need. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. Don't forget to explore our related videos for more insights on car insurance and financial planning. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, so thank you for being part of our community.